If you're tired of spending hours slicing up long videos into endless short clips, then this video is going to be a massive game changer for you. I've been testing a new AI tool that basically automates the entire process of turning long-form content into viral-ready shorts without the headache. At its core, this software is like having a junior editor, a social media strategist, and a publishing calendar all living inside one simple application. It identifies the best high-engagement moments from your raw footage and trims them into perfect clips, all while adding captions and punchy hooks automatically. I used to spend my entire weekend scrubbing through hour-long live streams just to find that one golden 20-second nugget that might actually go viral. Other tools I've tried either felt too clunky and required constant manual fixes, or they just didn't have the speed I needed to scale my content up. One of the first things that blew me away was how incredibly fast the generation process is, giving you a full batch of ready-to-post clips in just minutes. And the best part is the consistency, because you can lock in your brand style, fonts, and colors so every single clip looks like a professional production. I ran a test with a 45-minute live stream, and within a minute, it spit out a dozen clips perfectly formatted for Instagram Reels and TikTok. You still keep total control though, allowing you to tweak in and out points or swap out captions if you want that extra layer of human polish. This isn't about replacing deep, complex editing workflows, but rather dominating the volume game and maximizing your content distribution. Built-in Scheduler is another lifesaver, allowing you to queue up weeks of content so your social feeds stay active even when you're busy creating. You can easily drag and drop your clips into a master calendar view, making it effortless to plan out your entire month of social media updates. I recently used this workflow to turn a podcast, a tutorial, and a vlog into 3 weeks of high-quality shorts without breaking a sweat. When you look at the cost of hiring an editor or paying for multiple subscriptions, this turns out to be a smart investment for your long-term growth. There's also an amazing library of templates for things like top tips or before and after reveals that give you a professional look in just a click. Bottom line, if you want to grow across platforms without getting burned out, this is exactly the kind of friction-free solution you need. Upload one of your old long-form videos today, see what highlights it pulls, and I guarantee you'll be surprised at how much time you'll save. If this breakdown was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe, and let me know in the comments which platform you are currently prioritizing. I'll be diving deeper into how to tune your clips for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Reels in the very next video, so stay tuned.